Hello friends, it has been a minute. Yeah, it's been a little while, but I got some goodies in the mail and they have been cooling for a while to get any potential postal germs off of them, so I figured we could open them together. So I've got stuff from NicoNeco and stuff from baum-kuchen. Let's do the BK package first. Okay. Okie doke. Whoop! That's Wakako's handwriting. I love it. This one says, "Vision is the art of seeing what is invisible to others." And a sweet little note. I'm so grateful that the small businesses I support are still up and running. I'm sad that I live in a place where there aren't a whole lot of small businesses locally, other than restaurants, that I can support or what I want to support. But I'm grateful that the small businesses I do support, even though they're not in my physical community, are still out there doing their thing. It means a lot. I just want to make sure I'm in frame here. Oh, good, I am. I have this, I have my stand right to the left of my left elbow, and I'm left-handed, so I'm hoping I don't jostle you. And I figured I'd get this in while the baby is having her nap. Okay. So I got the dandelion stamp because I thought that was so cute. And I got a Zig refill. This one is in blue black for my hedgehog pen. And I still have a ton of ink in this refill, but I wrote with it on on my post-it notes that were stuck to my chalkboard, so kind of it was a vertical surface, and now it doesn't really want to play nice, so I've been storing it tip down to try to get the ink to start flowing again. But if anybody has any tips on how to get those to flow, if that doesn't work, that would be great. I got some highlighter refills for my little pasta highlighter, which I love, and I love this yellow. I love highlighter yellows that aren't like neon yellow. I love highlighters that aren't neon colors. They're great. Oh, and this is a free sticker sheet that they put in with the orders now, so that's nice. Very cool. And then I got Dot Grid Traveler's Notebook Refill, which was one of the newer ones that they came out, that the Travelers Company came out with, and I hadn't tried this out yet. And then I got the Not All Who Wander Are Lost notebook, and I've had my eye on this one for years and never got one. But I said, you know what? I want it. I'm getting it. It's what it's going to be. I recently moved my journal from an MD notebook into a second traveler's notebook, so I thought, you know, what better time than when you're actually journaling in a traveler's notebook to get an insert, because I don't want to do my writing in this. Maybe I do, I don't know, I haven't decided what I'm going to use it for, but it's just, this is a little world map here. This is such a cool, it's a multi-paper notebook, so there's bits of map in here on really high quality paper, there's vellum, there's just really, really cool craft paper, really smooth craft paper, really, really nice, very cool notebook. I'm a big fan. That is beautifully made, gorgeous, very cool. So that I will probably use as my next journal insert when I finish the one that I'm in. I don't get a lot of time to journal. It's something I want to do when I go to bed, and I end up just passing out. I am getting up really early in the mornings to work on my fiction writing. because we're lucky. We can both, my husband and I both are still working. And we've got the baby home with us now. So, you know, I see all these preachy, what are you doing with all your free time? I'm like, what free time would that be? But everybody is in a different spot on their journey during this pandemic. So, you know, for those who do have free time, I hope you are making the most of it. And, you know, whatever that means for you. If it's, you know, if getting off your couch is an achievement, then well done. If you are, you know, learning another language and learning to knit while simultaneously taking a master class and like doing 7 things on Skillshare, then good for you. I wish I could do that, but we got to wrangle a baby. So that's about all I can handle plus the job. Anyway, yeah, so this is my NicoNeco package, which I love. And Simon leaves such cute little notes, and I love whatever this tape is. I want it, and I should have bought it. Dang. Anyway, this teeny tiny little thread is so cute. I always save these for packaging, thinking I'm going to use them, and I never do, but I still like to have them just in case. I don't know, the baby's birthday is in a month, so maybe I'll use some of this stuff to package her present. We shall see. We shall see. Fold that up. Okay. Very nice. Super cute. Very cool. Okay. Cool. Oh, where's the overlap? Where are you? Oh, there you are. No? No, that's the bottom half. Where are you, overlap? That's the bottom. Where? I have to find you. Oh, no, there it is. There it is. Aha, right on the edge. Get. Waste not, want not. Let's put that over here for now. Very cool. Yay. Oh, very clever, Simon. Nice packaging job. All right, so the first thing that I got is the MU print-on sticker storage book, and I have expanded my collection of MU print-on stickers. Like, I have so many of them now, and I expect to get more because I love them. So I thought it was time to actually have a place to put them that was going to keep them safer than if they're just randomly in drawers and bags and stuff. So that's that. I got this little Hours frame and specimen label set. Super cool. I love Hours. They're such cute designs. I got some plain deco stickers in a couple of different colors, sort of a warm and a cool. And these are index stickers. So see how they're 2 circles. You fold that kind of over the end, over the edge of a page, and then you just have the 1 circle marking the page. I really particularly like circle-shaped index stickers because it doesn't matter how you place them. It's always a circle. Like, you can't get a circle crooked. So that's always really nice. And then I got a couple more print-on stickers. So I got the Do What You Love one. This is the 080. And then this one is the 114. So this one's kind of like at home, chilling out, and this one is sort of plants and couches and at home, but a little more botanical and like country magazine versus a little more graphic, which is really cool. I picked up more of these I like bread stickers because A, I like bread, and B, I'm doing a lot of baking, I think, as a lot of us are during quarantine, but these are also super cute, and I love the Atelier stickers. And then I just got a cream paper refill. And again, that's just because I like having TN refills. And typically I make my own, and I still am doing that for my writing notebook. But I like the slightly thicker paper for my actual journal. And I have more, you know, the reason that I use non-brand, you know, the reason I make my own notebooks out of Tomoe River paper is because they're skinny, and I like to carry a very light, thin notebook. I mean, not thin, but like not as bulky as if I had 3 of this regular kind of size in there. But these are nice for journaling, and I have more real estate in my journal. So that is that. That's what I've got. It's not a huge thing, but it's some things to bring a little brightness to these dreary at-home days. And there's plenty of brightness, and there's plenty of things to be thankful for. And I just hope that, you know, we're all staying safe as much as we can. And it's really difficult. I mean, my parents are right down the street, and they haven't seen the baby in 6 weeks, and they're likely not to for, you know, several more at least. So hopefully, you know, I know it's going to take some time, and it's going to take patience from all of us. And hopefully one day we're going to be able to look back on this and say, gosh, that was a really hard time. But, you know, hopefully we all learned something from it, and taking care of ourselves and each other and our world a little bit more. So in the meantime, I hope that this adds a little brightness to your day, and I will see you again when I can. Bye-bye.